You guys okay? Oh, the tree's down. The tree's down. Saw that coming. The tree's down. Look at the tree in the back. Oh, Jesus.
Severe flash flooding struck parts of Nevada after intense rainfall caused water levels to rise rapidly. Floodwaters spread across roads and low-lying areas, creating dangerous conditions for residents and drivers. The sudden flooding disrupted travel as emergency crews monitored affected locations and responded to the developing situation. The flooding caused mud and debris to spread across streets and surrounding areas, creating major chaos in affected parts of Nevada. Thick mud covered roads, making travel extremely difficult and dangerous. Residents faced hazardous conditions as emergency teams worked to manage the damage and assist people impacted by the flash flood.
And it's still raining.
An emergency situation developed as rising floodwaters and heavy mud made travel extremely difficult across affected areas of Nevada. Roads became dangerous and some routes were blocked by water and debris. Emergency crews responded to help residents and manage the challenging conditions caused by the severe flash flooding.
You guys, this is how the streets get cleaned in Vegas. Once or twice a year, we just flood it. That's just what happens. You gotta be prepared. You gotta be prepared. Robocon weekend.
All of the waterfalls are lit up over here, and the water goes down into the tunnels all the way through this part of Las Vegas and out to Lake Mead, where it fills it up. Wow. Look at those waterfalls. There's the tunnel. There's the link.
Rescue operations were carried out using helicopters as floodwaters and mud blocked access to several areas. Emergency teams worked from the air to reach stranded residents and provide assistance where roads became unsafe or impossible to pass. The severe flooding created challenging conditions for communities across Nevada.